Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a channel read-only on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click on your server icon in the left sidebar to open the server view. Click the server drop-down at the top left, then select Server Settings from the menu. The Server Settings modal opens. Click Server Profile in the sidebar, then click Boost Perks. Click Roles in the left sidebar to open the Roles Management screen. You'll see a list of roles for your server. Click New Role, then click the @Everyone role to edit its permissions. The @Everyone role permissions screen loads, showing all the default permissions for your server members. Scroll down to find Send Messages and Create Posts. Then click the toggle to turn it off. This removes posting ability for everyone in the role. The toggle switches to off, which means members can still read messages but can no longer post new ones. Click the Save Changes button at the bottom to apply your new permissions. The button shows a loading state briefly, then disappears once your changes have been saved. Your channel is now read-only for all members assigned to the @Everyone role. If you want to allow specific roles to still post while keeping channels read-only for everyone else, go back into roles and turn on Send Messages and Create Posts for those particular roles. Their permissions will override the @Everyone setting. To make channels fully open again later, just return to the @Everyone role and toggle Send Messages and Create Posts back on. This is particularly useful for announcement channels where you want admins to post updates but don't want general members cluttering the feed with replies. And that's how to make a channel read-only on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.